So ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, welcome back to ST versus World. कैसे हो आप सब? I hope you all are doing absolutely well. So today we are going to discuss about salary of a cabin crew. किसी को भी सैलरी पूछना अच्छी बात नहीं है, okay? But don't get offended. अगर आपने ये गलती कर ही दी है तो मैं आपको इस क्वेश्चन का आंसर ज़रूर दूंगी, ओके? सो फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल लेट्स डिस्कस अबाउट द बेनिफिट्स which you will get being a cabin crew, okay? First of all, the salary of a cabin crew is the addition of basic salary plus flying hours, that is per hour into duty hour, plus layovers. It can be of domestic layovers or international layovers, okay? The allowances of layovers, it can be of domestic or international, which will be added in your salary. So the salary of a cabin crew is the combination of basic salary plus flying hours plus layovers, okay? So the conclusion is the salary of a cabin crew is never fixed. It keeps on fluctuating as the flying hours keep on fluctuating. So there's hardly a specific answer for the salary of a cabin crew, okay? Now let's discuss about the accommodations. The accommodations which you get being a cabin crew is a 5-star accommodation, and if you're a cabin crew you will have to share your room with your friend, which is your colleague, okay, of your gender, obviously, okay? And when you get
7 September 1963 in Chandigarh to Harish and Rama Banot. She has two brothers and she is the darling of her family and calls her Ladu. She studied in Chandigarh and later in Mumbai, where she became a model, endorsing brands like Vinaka toothpaste, Forehand and Godrej. At the age of 19, she was married to a marine engineer and moved to Sharjah, UAE. There, the lovely daughter got abused, verbal taunts, threats. She was not even given food. After 2 months, Banot left her husband, returned to Mumbai to her parents. She was broke, but did not give up. She did not let her past ruin her future. So she found her way against all odds. She became a flight attendant. One day during her job, she took Pan Am Flight 73 on September 5, 1986 from Mumbai to reach New York City. In midway, it landed in Karachi. The flight was carrying Indians, Germans, Americans, Pakistanis and other nationalities. 4 armed Palestinian men belonging to Abu Nidal organization hijacked the aircraft. They dressed as airport security guards entered the aircraft while firing shots from an automatic weapon and seized control of the plane. Neerja alerted the cockpit crew, who escaped through an overhead hatch in the cockpit. Hijackers ordered her to collect the passengers' passports. Sensing that the hijackers' key targets were Americans, Banot and her crew hid those passports under the seats and in the trash chute. Because of this, from a total of 41 American passengers, only 2 were killed. After 17 hours on the runway, the terrorists opened fire. Neerja stayed brave on the plane to help passengers escape through emergency exit. She died while shielding 3 children from terrorist fire. Neerja could have escaped. It is not necessary for her to shield children. She need not calm the hostages that 17 hours. She need not sacrifice her life just 2 days before her birthday. Though she took the path of rare, heroic, gutsy, she chose to face the situation. For this courageous deed, she was posthumously awarded the Ashoka Chakra, and the Indian Postal Service released a stamp in her memory, and also Tamga-e-Insaniyat Award by Pakistan. This is the story of Neerja Banot, flight attendant who saved 360 lives. Hail Neerja Banot!